Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Monday the 4th of June. And welcome to Monday everyone. It's a new week and we're definitely excited to get it started off right. Basically the market, it did gap up a little bit and it did buy up into a resistance area and then it did sell off pretty hard. Bought up a little bit here and there, but it sold off the entire day. So it's very, very, very weak on the day. And just to mention, at 10 o'clock we did have a news item come out and it was pretty bearish. Some people did buy into that while others sold into it, and the sellers ultimately did gain advantage. 10 o'clock we had factory orders come out and we were looking for 0.3% positive. The prior reading was negative 2.1 and it came in at negative 0.6. So did come in worse than expected. It came in negative and that just, that was enough to drive the market down. Basically today we did make two trades. Both of them were successful. The maximum profit potential that we were working in was 5 points or 20 ticks. And because we trade multiple contracts, we came out of it at 8.5 points or 34 ticks from our entries and exits. Call it out real time in the room. So pretty good day all in all. Let's round down, say 8 points. If you're looking at $50 per point, that's $400 for 2.5 hours worth of watching the markets. Definitely not too bad. And with that, I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out our website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day on the site we focus on the S&P 500 futures market. It's my favorite market to trade, and it's definitely a market that I'm passionate about and I have a lot of fun with. We don't always have all of our trades go positive. You're going to have some losers sprinkled in, and you're going to have some losing days. And it's just part of the business. If you're selling something, let's say you sold bread, you owned a grocery store. Some of your bread is going to be damaged. Maybe somebody drops it on the floor and another person steps on it, or maybe it's set in the warehouse and a rat gets it. Whatever the case may be, and hopefully if you do own a grocery store, a rat doesn't get it, because then the health department will probably shut you down. But my point is that in any business you're going to have losses, and that's what trading is. It's a business. That's why the site's a business with trading. So looking at it as a business, you're going to have some losses. You're not going to just make money constantly 100% of the time. You can put some system up and it'll trade for you, and 100% of the time it'll make money. That's impossible. It's totally impossible. Even your big banks, your Goldman Sachs and whatnot, they lose money from time to time. So if they lose money from time to time, why would you be able to make money 100% of the time? It's false reality. It's just impossible. But anyway, I know I'm getting off on a little tangent, but I've been coaching a few people and who've had questions like that, and I figured, why not? We'll talk about it in an open forum a little bit. Anyway, with that said, I encourage you to check out the website. On the right hand side I have a getting started page. It has a lot of introductory info, some videos, stuff like that. If you want to check that out. If you're interested in trading and never traded before, I encourage you to check that out. Then after you check it out, you'll probably have some questions. So there'll be a contact form on the right hand side. Don't hesitate to use it. No such thing as a dumb question. It's there's just not such thing as a dumb question. I mean, if you ask the same question every day, then you might be a dumb person. But if you ask a question and then you ask a question that builds upon that the next day, and ask a question that builds upon that. Those are smart questions. And if you don't know an answer and you ask a question, that's a smart question. So, you know, I haven't encountered anyone who asks me the same question every day. I haven't. Sometimes in coaching, you might, you know, I might get the same type of question, but we're focusing on a concept. And the way I teach is I like to focus on a concept for many days rather than a lot of people. They like to do like an 8-day course. They teach something every day, and then at the end of the course, what do you really remember? I like to focus on one concept over many days, and then once that concept starts to sink in, we can build upon that. And that's the way I like to do things, and that's the way that I learn best. If yeah, I could teach an 8-day course, but I don't think that people were really going to grasp the knowledge. If teaching one thing one day, another thing another day, and it's just not me. It's just I don't believe in that type of learning. But anyway, check out the website if you like it. Then you can ask some questions, whatnot. And I appreciate you for watching this video right now. Definitely appreciate the support. If you enjoy the video, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Appreciate that in a big way. And the only news that we have going on tomorrow is ISM non-manufacturing PMI. That's at 10 o'clock. We're looking for 53.6, and 53.5 was the prior reading. And that's basically all we're looking at. 10 o'clock, big information there. And G7 meetings are happening all day, so we could get some news here and there, which should make it a very interesting day tomorrow. And with that, thanks a lot for watching the video. Have an awesome day. Don't forget to like it if you do enjoy the video. And if you have any questions, upper right hand side of the website. Have an awesome day. I'll see you tomorrow in the markets. Thanks.